Get ready with me using the Jones Road with the foundation. I am so excited to be doing kind of a little get ready with me today and sharing with you guys how I use this. I am so grateful to you for sharing it with me because many of you beauties had recommended this to me. You had asked me about it to kind of try it and review it, and I have been telling many of you how much I love it, but today's the first time I'm going to actually show you how I've been using it. Now, the first time that I got it, I actually just took it out and just applied it to my face, and then I put, my concealer on top or things like that. But lately, the other day, actually, I have to tell you, the other day I used it in a different way than I had previously been using it. So that's really why I want to kind of show this to you too, because let me show it to you, but I kind of used it to blend out things like my contour and things like that. So I wanted to show it to you. Now here it is. I am in the shade beige and I am a light neutral complexion. So this does retail for $46, and they recommend using your fingers. They also recommend starting with no product on your face. Here is how it looks in the pot here. It is glass. And so they again recommend not having any moisturizer on your face because this is filled with so many skincare ingredients. This is deeply hydrating and nourishing on its own. So they recommend not putting anything on your face really, except for SPF. Primarily maybe a lightweight serum, but no heavy moisturizers before applying this, unless you have really, really dry skin and you want to, you can handle it. Maybe experiment with that first before you do that. But they do recommend to, again, not wear your moisturizer underneath. This is going to moisturize you enough. It's going to moisturize you plenty. So, okay. Now it does have a light lavender-esque scent. And some people did mention to me that they don't like that scent. I just, I have to be honest, like it doesn't really bother me that much because it does smell very clean and natural. So it doesn't smell artificial whatsoever, but it is a lavender scent. So if you don't like lavender, you might not want to pick this up, or hopefully they'll come out with an unscented version because they do say that they're coming out with retail stores, so maybe they're coming out with more products, and how awesome would that be? But now I saw someone else online was showing their product. I believe it was Morgan Turner, and hers had kind of separated. It had an oil buildup and it wasn't mixed. I've never mixed this and it has stayed like this so far. So maybe she's in a hotter climate. I think she does live in Miami. That's Morgan Turner, and she's a lot younger. And so she said she didn't like this foundation. And then a lot of people were saying, more mature skins love this foundation. I do love it. I have oily skin though, and I love it. So I'm not sure, guys. You let me know if you have tried this and you love it, but let's get into using it. Now, right now on my skin, I do have this grwm Alchemist. This is a skin defense primer. So I figured this would be okay to try with this. I've never worn this though with this foundation. Usually I don't have anything but SPF on my skin, but I was wanting to put some of this on for who knows why, but I do like this product a lot. This is a very nice primer. It's very skincare focused as well. So it doesn't feel moisturizing though, so hopefully it'll be okay. But now they do recommend with this foundation to apply it with your fingers, or they have their brush that they do sell on the website. I'm thinking about getting it now because I love this product so much. So it's called the Skin Brush. Maybe I'll get that next, and it retails for $40. So they say to use, again, the Skin Brush, your fingers, or a dry sponge. I do have a sponge here, but it's wet because I wasn't, okay, I'll just be honest with you. But I'm just going to go ahead and take a small amount of this out. Now, I hope you could see it's like an actual mousse. You can probably see even just how creamy and mousse-like it is. Oh my goodness. I think that's why I like it so much when you put it on. It's like a real sensory experience. It feels so good when you put it on. I think that's what I really like. So let me just do one side so you can see the coverage, and hopefully this light isn't too bright today. And my skin is actually peeling because I went up a level in my retinol. So right now my skin's peeling, but it feels so good. It really does when you put it on. So I hope you guys can see the difference here, how it looks. It just gives a beautiful radiance to your skin. And I noticed when you first put this on, it looks great, but once it has sunken into your skin for about an hour, I think that's when you see what it really can do, how beautiful it makes your skin look. After it's been soaked, after everything melts into your skin. Oh my goodness. Now, they say that this is a light to medium coverage. You can build it up, but some people recommend not building. It'll start to kind of break up on you. I haven't had that experience yet. Have you guys had that experience happen with you. I have not had that happen yet, but yeah, this is how it looks. Do you guys see the coverage, the radiance, the glow? And again, I have very oily skin, and this has never, you know, I wear it all day and it's never, you know, turned too oily or greasy on me, which I really dislike. Now, another thing I have to tell you that I love about this, I just put some more on my finger. It is so beautiful on your chest. If you put it on your chest, your neck. I have very sensitive skin. Everything breaks me out. And this not only gives you the most radiant glow to your skin, it conceals redness. It conceals if you have some wrinkling or crepey skin on your chest area, it actually takes it away. This is so good, you guys. I mean, if you didn't like this on your face, I could definitely just see if you wanted to just put this on your body. Oh my gosh, it makes your neck look amazing. But what it does for your body is incredible for specifically this area. I hope you're gonna see, but I was so happy when I saw how it came out when I put it on my chest, because again, my skin is so irritated. I have some kind of weird rash situation here, and so I don't even want to put anything on my chest because I don't want to aggravate it, but this has not aggravated it, and it takes away the redness, it takes away the crinkles and the crepiness, and it just makes your chest look amazing, really. And it has skincare in it, so you know it's good for you. You know it's going to, you know, just help to alleviate any wrinkles in the future and things like that. So you feel good about putting it on your chest. At least I do. I feel very good about it because, again, this whole area gets so irritated on me. So now this has been soaking in, so I hope you can see the effect. And what do you guys think? Let's go ahead and do the other side. Now, the first time that I wore this, I think that I put my concealer on first. I don't know. Now I don't remember. But I want to show you guys how I've been wearing it. I think I've been playing with it, so I experiment. I think the other day I put my concealer on first, and then I used this to blend out the concealer. Actually, I think that's what I did. But today I'll put the concealer. I think I do both. Let's try it both ways, because this is so lightweight and it's not, you know, it's not too much coverage. You could really play with this. Again, on me, I've never noticed it balling up. Some people said it kind of turned into kind of like a, you know, pilling situation. I've never noticed that. So now I hope you could see the coverage that I've got into the under eye circles. A lot of people recommend, though, not using this to conceal your under eye circles, but again, I haven't had an issue with it, and I do have wrinkles under my eyes. Now, before we get into the concealer, though, I wanted to show you, I got this here. This is the Jones Road The Face Pencil, and this is supposed to, I thought this would work as a concealer, but it really doesn't. So, oh, actually today it is working. Okay, the other day I tried this under the foundation and it was too dry under my eyes, but as you guys can see, I just put it on top of the foundation. Oh, now it blends like a dream. Oh, okay, you see. I'm so glad I did this for you guys, because I kind of didn't like this and I thought I wasted my money. But now that I'm putting it over the foundation, it's blending out, you guys. That's amazing. Wow. This didn't happen the other day. Again, like when I put it on my dry skin, on my dry under eye area, it was too dry and it wouldn't budge and it looked bad. But this actually over the foundation, oh my gosh, you could see I like it because I'm putting it all over my face. Am I not? Okay, because now it's blending like a dream. Wow, it's amazing. Oh my goodness, I really thought this was a waste of money. I should not have I should have known better from Bobbi Brown, because she knows what she's doing. So let's try it like this, you know, why not? Yes, look at that. I'm shocked. I am shocked and amazed. I never have tried a product like this. I mean, I have other ones like this that I use on my brow, and I use it to clean up my lips. But this, I've never had a pencil concealer. Wow. This is amazing. And I don't know if you're like me, but it seems very easy to travel with this type of thing. You just throw it in your bag. But look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so shocked. I don't even think I need concealer now. I mean, my traditional liquid concealer, I was gonna put that on, but I don't think I need it. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I want to see how this looks under setting powder now. Should I even put this on? This is my concealer that I always use with it, the Fenty concealer. But now that we got all this coverage, no way, girl. I don't think we need it. So want to skip it? I think we should skip it. But you know what I wanted to put on, though? Let me just be completely honest. I did want to put on a little bit of highlighter. So I have this Kosas highlighter. This is just a little highlighter, so this is something different, not a concealer. Let's see how it works, but maybe we didn't need it. I don't know. We're experimenting here, guys. This turned into an experiment. Yeah, I don't know if I don't think I needed that. I feel like, no, this that was too much. Okay, let's blend it, push it in, and okay, this is not wanting to blend. This was not, I didn't need that highlighter. Okay, all right. No, I don't like the highlighter, you guys. I don't like the pink. Let's me put this back on. I like the way this looked better. This was a beautiful brightened effect, and it gave a pink tone, and I like it better without it. So let's just leave it like that. And wow, I'm shocked. I feel like I have on full coverage makeup right now. Okay, let's just put on a few other things really quickly to do the regular normal face. So I'm just going to put on a little of this Chanel, and I'm just wanting to do my regular sort of face here. So here we go. Let's put a little bit of this on just to get, a nice everyday little look here. Look and see. Oh, it blends beautifully into the foundation. Gorgeous. Everything melts into your skin with this product. That's what it is. When you have this with the foundation on, everything's melting in, because this product never really looked this beautiful before. The foundation is giving it more radiance. Because I'm not the biggest fan. I know I've hit pan, but I don't really love this that much. I'm just trying to use it up. What do you guys think? Okay, I gotta show you this real quick. Oh my goodness, beautiful. This is actually better than the highest high-end Colourpop liquid blush. It's so gorgeous. You can't believe it. It's an exact dupe for the Say, if you've ever tried the Say liquid blush. So I'm just doing my regular look here, guys, but I'm just gonna press that in, and let's see. Yes, that is the most beautiful. I hope you can see this, but this blush is gorgeous. So there is that. I wish I had a dry sponge. She said to use dry sponge, but I always do use a dry sponge, but I wasn't thinking, and I said let me wet my sponge, but she said not to wet the sponge. Okay, I'm sure it'll be okay. Oh, you guys, I'm in love with this foundation. Oh, okay, let's just put on a little bit of powder here. Actually, I'm just in my dining room, guys. I don't really have all of my things here, but I'll just put on a little bit of powder. This is the Huda pound cake powder, and lightly set, and I'll just press some more of that powder in just to do my regular look. I usually do put on this pressed powder. I love my pressed powder, especially if you're oily. It's just a must-have because it helps to keep the oil. Maybe that's why this foundation works good for me, because I do use this setting powder with it. The setting powder is very strong from Huda, so your makeup is not going to budge. Maybe that's another reason why I haven't experienced any kind of greasiness or oiliness, because I do always use this powder. Love it. You guys, I'm in love. Okay, normally I do go ahead and put on, I'm just doing my regular routine here. I just want to show you my regular routine, why I love this foundation so much. So I will go in with a little bit of pressed powder, and let's see here let's just put on a little bit of powder blush. So this is the NARS Hot Collection palette, and take a little of the shimmer. And guys, I'm just going to give myself a spritz of, this is the new Huda Beauty Easy Bake setting spray. So this kind of does something weird on mine where it dribbles out. So just to forewarn you, but I love this. But it's amazing. It makes your skin look very smooth, and definitely keeps everything in place. See, I don't want to show you guys, but just in case you get this, just be aware, because I don't want it to get all over your makeup bags and things like that. But you have to be careful. Maybe if you travel with that, be very careful. Or I'm going to try to put that in a different sprayer, actually, and see if, we'll see. I'll play around with it. But okay, let's just do a quick lip here. Well, what do you think of this base? Let me take a look at it with the spray on, but I love it. It's so natural looking. This is what I wanted to try for the highlighter Tushy Clop. I couldn't find it. Okay, we'll do that next time. Let me just put on a quick lip here. But how are you guys doing? I'm so excited because, guys, I signed up for Pilates today. So I'm going to go start taking Pilates classes. So I'm really excited because I've always wanted to go to Pilates classes. I just never had the chance, but now I'm going to make time. And you know what I said to myself? I said, I can change. I said, I can do things different, because I usually just work out in the house. And ever since we got Roxy, I really don't even leave the house too much, because I'm trying to take care of her, because she's so big. It's just, she's a lot of work. We don't want to leave her in the cage, in her crate. Because she's so big, it's not like the Chihuahuas. They sleep all day. They like to be in their crate. They go in there on their own, but she's so big, So, but now she's a little older, and I figure, I'm just going down the street 1 hour. My husband said he'll wait for us too. He'll take her and wait with her in the car, because we never leave her, guys, ever. If anything, I'll even take her to daycare. She used to go to daycare. She loved it. She would play, with the other dogs. So maybe I'll take her for daycare. That'd be nice, right? and pick her up after. My husband was like, now that you're a dog mom, you have to do things different. So, you know, because the Chihuahuas, again, they don't take, they're no work. They take care of themselves. They're, you know, they're very independent. So, you know, but Weimaraner, she's almost 100 pounds. She needs a lot of attention. So, you know, but now I'm going to go to Pilates. I'm hoping for 3 days a week. I signed up for unlimited classes. So they said I can go as much as I want. So I'm planning to go 3 days a week. Wish me luck, guys. I don't know if that's going to happen, but a girl could dream, right? I could dream. So here's a little of the City Beauty plumping lip oil. And that was just a little MAC lip gloss. Okay. And this is the finished look, guys. And I'm wearing this palette too. I got this in my Ipsy or my BoxyCharm. Laura Geller. This is the Candy Cravings eyeshadow palette. I love this. I wear this every day. I love it so much. Ooh, you guys, this almost just fell. Thank goodness it didn't fall. I would be so upset. I love this. I love it. So let me take a look at it. I love it. Oh, I didn't contour my nose. That's a big deal. So actually, let me try to just contour my nose quick because I think that makes a big difference. And this is just a little, this is so good. This is the Pat McGrath Bronzer, or is it contour powder? Bronze Without Caution, Glamour Glow, and Regal Elegant Radiance. This is amazing because this shade that I got here is the neutral. I've never had a bronzer that looked good on me till I got this one. And now actually I have also one from Dior, and they came out with a neutral bronzer too. So if you're like me, pale, you got to try neutral bronzers. They're life-changing because for me, bronzers always look too orange on me. Again, until I got these neutral bronzers, and it just totally changes everything for you. So, and I just cut these bangs the other day, guys. I'm so happy I found out how to cut my own hair. I love it. So anyway, guys. Okay, let's get my hair right. So this is the finished look. Let me know what you think of this foundation. Would you try it? Again, I absolutely love it. It's clean beauty, cruelty-free, made of so many skincare ingredients. It's so good for you. Lots of different shades. Feels incredible on the skin. If you're a dry skin beauty, you need it. But if you're just like me, I love radiance. So this is definitely a game changer and just gives you the most gorgeous skin. I mean, I wish I could hop back on. I can't today. I have to run. But if you could see my skin in an hour, once everything soaks in, it gets better and better, this foundation, the more it sits on your skin. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried this foundation. Do you like it? What are your thoughts? Let me know down below. And that's pretty much it. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you beauties very soon.